Hey guys, this is me, Sakib Naveed, opening a few packs for the start of my channel in order for you guys to have good players, and I'm going to soon be giving away high valued players such as Sergio Aguero, Lionel Messi, Cristiano Ronaldo, etc. This is my team. As you can see, I've got rid of a few informed players just to buy Cristiano Ronaldo, and soon I will be filling the gaps in, such as PK. He's got a red card of the formation because he's not in the right formation, and that's my subs: Xavi, Rooney, Falcao, Di Maria, Schneider, and etc. And this is the first pack which I'm going to open now. And as you can see, today is going for Messi day. Pazzini and Gary Cahill in one pack, not bad. So I'll just quickly send these to trade pile and consumables, etc. while I wait. Those formation cards that I've got a 3 in front of them, they don't really matter, to be honest. Whereas the ones with the 4, starting with the 4, they're worth a lot. El Shaarawy, imagine he was in form, I would have been giving him away as well. So just tell me any of these players you want given away, I'll just can give them. I've just made my channel recently in order for you guys to get some players, because I've got really good players and I will give them away later on once I've got quite a number of subscribers. Going for the third pack. It's Ozil, Messi, Ozil. Whoa. Messi, Ozil and Pazzini again. Pazzini is a duplicate, so there's 2 of him to give away. No man. Shut up. So guys, as you can see, I got Ozil. Soon I'll be giving away people like Sergio Aguero and Xavi, PK, Puyol, and probably all these players I'll be giving away, but the big players like Ozil and Sergio Aguero, I'll be giving them away once I've got a couple of thousand subscribers. And like if I've got about 5,000 subscribers, and on this video I'll need up to about 10,000, and I'll be giving away really good players in the end. Aruka I've got, he's probably not all that. There's a modifier, let's see what that could be. What is the modifier? So this time I've got 600,000 coins, and I'm gonna just open about 86,000 coins worth of packs. 442 modifier, I'll be giving that away if anyone needs it to fill in the gaps, because my formation is 4-1-2-1-2, so Tossic, he's maybe not worth a lot. Paul Robinson, if any of you guys are Blackburn fans, you could just post below and I could give him to you. The fitness coach, he's just there in order for your fitness to go higher, and so that you can get things. Did you quick sell the fitness? Why are you alone? Come on Benzema, give me someone good. Sigurdsson, I think. Yes. Who? Hate them. This is my first pack opening, live pack opening. I need that. With Jogi Anderson. This is my first live pack opening, so I'm trying to make you guys happy by opening some packs and giving away some players in order to get subscribers and a lot of likes. So once I get a lot of money, I'll soon be opening FIFA points packs and I'll be getting a lot of players that I can give away. Got a Real Madrid badge if any of you guys want it. Store in club. I'll just store that in club in order for any of you if you want it. Valdivia is not that expensive, but come on Messi, give me someone good. Imagine this is Messi. Oh, son. So I've got Wembley Stadium in it if anyone of you guys want an upgrade or some sort, and I've just started this pack opening. This is my first pack opening ever, and I was hoping to get a lot of views and subscribers in order for me to give away really expensive players such as Sergio Aguero, Xavi, Iniesta, Inform Mata, Company, Messi, Ozil, Inform Ozil, Messi and Ronaldo. So I just wanted subscribers and views, and in the future I should be, the more subscribers the more players will be given away and the better ones as well. And today's giveaway so far is Messi Ozil because I've got 2 packs left. Nani, come on. Today's giveaway is Messi Ozil or Nani, both of them. So as you can see, Messi is a duplicate. All you can do, no. That's true, but everyone's on sale. Everyone's on sale. Yes. All I can do now is just available item Pazzini. All I'll do is quick sell Pazzini and put Messi there as I've got Messi. Put Nani there as I've got Nani as a duplicate. And Pazzini is only worth around 2,000 coins, so I've got Nani as a duplicate. He's already in my active squad. He's in left mid position. So all I can do is quick sell Pazzini for 600 coins, although he's just worth 2,000. Pazzini is a duplicate. Pazzini is a duplicate. All I'm going to do now is just quick sell him and put Nani in my trade pile. So any of you guys, today's giveaway so far is going to be Nani and Messi Ozil. Once I have got a few thousand subscribers and views on this, so that I can give away Nani and Messi Ozil for you. This is my first ever live pack opening, and as you can see, so far it's been a good one. Hopefully there's more to come. And now it comes down to the last pack, going for Messi. Come on, Messi, 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 Messi! Pizarro. He's not really up to Messi standards, but maybe next time. Goalkeeper training. The information cards, the one with the 5 in front of them, they don't really matter. The main ones are the ones with the 4 next to them, because they give the money. You can sell them for around about 400 to 1000 coins. That's it, guys. That's me done. And like, subscribe and comment in order for Nani and Messi Ozil. That's all for the giveaway. Take care, guys. Cheers.